Ano masasabi mo? So this is your birthday celebration.
Wala.
Wala. Bakit wala? Busy. Ito ang, ano to baby? Birthday celebration ni Eunice.
Easter birthday celebration ng
Yeah.
aming mahal na alagang Eunice.
Oo.
Hindi namin na-celebrate yung exact birthday niya
Oo,
dahil
kasi
weekdays and
At
Holy
nalimutan
Week.
nyo.
hindi naman
Hindi,
nalimutan.
nalimutan.
Week kasi yun, kaya hindi kami nakapag-celebrate ng grande.
dahil-
So ngayon, Easter Sunday, we will go to church first and then we will celebrate her birthday
Oh.
after sa isang magandang lugar. So mamaya makikita nyo sa ating pupuntahan. Pero before that, we're going first to church kasi kailangan natin mag-pray and we celebrate this Easter and para meron tayong blessings always. So yun lang. See you later.
Yeah, you know? Where? Where do you think she is? Where? No? You gave her to Tita Linas. You go over there. Di ba ba yan?
Ganda naman ito.
Yeah, Olivia chose it for you. Yeah. So, oh, that's cute.
Dan, 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 dan.
So many eggs.
Dan, 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 dan.
Dun, dun.
And probably there's some up there.
You think?
Yeah.
Maybe now.
Because last year there was.
Really?
Can you check?
Okay, wait. Let's just. I can't see it.
Haha, the Easter Bunny made a trick.
No, there's nothing there.
Haha, the Easter Bunny made a trick.
What's that for?
It tied on me.
Oh. There's more. There's lots. Oh.
I think I'm the only one that he gave me.
Yeah?
So,
It's just you?
yeah, I think.
Oh, lucky. You're so blessed. So many.
There's something in here. Oh, there is! Mom, there's something in here.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah,
Can you
there's
try
something
it?
in
Open it. Can you open it? Open it, open. 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 Okay. Yeah. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Open it. Open it. Open it.
Bring it.
Open it.
Let me
Oh no! Oh, you're gonna bring it?
Let me see.
You need to break it.
Here.
You just need to
You help.
pull it.
Maybe help.
There.
There. Bubbles. And then.
Here.
Min.
Eggs! I got eggs!
What's that?
Yeah, it's a Ooh.
What?
Look,
What is that?
look, I'm a baby.
Yeah.
Nothing.
Nothing. It's fine.
Two. Yeah.
Did you show?
I show them.
Is it just all chocolates?
It's orange.
Yeah, try
Just try one.
Like the blue one. Yeah, open it. Open it.
Or the other one. I work closer you want.
And then. See. Let's see. Because that one you look like a bunny.
it's a bunny.
Look, a bunny. Are you a bunny? What? Another one? That's so many.
Hande. Hande.
Is it all like a bunny? Is it all like a bunny? Let me see. Oh, everything is like a bunny. Oh
Hande.
my goodness.
Break it.
That's so many. What?
Jesus.
Oh, you explain. Like, how did you explain it? Olivia, why did the Easter Bunny give you the lamb?
And say yun.
Because.
Come on, explain it so that...
Mom, you explain it.
No, you explain it. I want you to explain it.
No, because remember the Easter Bunny one.
She knows. She already explained it to
she
me.
explained to you pala yun.
Yeah, you explain it here. So
It
that...
wasn't right.
No, it's right.
No, no, they didn't.
Come on.
Bongo. My baby.
Come on.
Meow ba?
Ready, Gaucho. Manda ka sa amin.
Warning ka na kasi gutom na ako eh. Warning na yan.
Kumain niya pa nga yan. Hindi ka
Kagabi pa ako gutom eh.
bus ka sa
Talagang
ubus ka.
gutom na gutom ako.
Hey, happy Easter, all of ya! Nakalimutan!
Busy lang, na busy.
Nakapit, sabi mo. Nakalimutan nyo nga talaga. Ay, hindi ko alam ang date nun eh. Ay, ilang alam ang date nun, tangi. Ilang beses ka nang nagtanong sa akin. Oo nga, nakakalimutan ko na nga. Nate, ang date, Eunice. Wala na akong alam sa date, sinasabi ko sa'yo. Kung hindi ko lang mapapansin sa calendar. Kaya dapat nasa calendar. Wow, tsaksa ka na.
Andiyan na yung flowers mo.
Kaya mo, susurprising ka namin. Hindi. Pupuntahan ka doon, walang gano'n.
Walang ganun dahil alam ko kayo. Alam ko na yan.
Wala talagang nakaligtaan ko date. Nailagay sa kalendaryo, wala talaga. Wala talaga.
Ilagay mo na yung date next time.
Next year, eh.
Smart ka. Oh my God, dito ka lang oh.
Plus 10. Si Olivia. 10 na.
We're waiting for Pepsi.
Naglat yung belly.
Say hi to the vlog. How was it?
Okay.
Try it. Yeah. It's good. Guys, say hi.
Hi, vlog.
Jake.
Welcome to my guys. Shut down.
Your mommy and tita's busy, no? But us, we're busy eating. This is good. It's like Madeline.
Thank you. Oo nga.
Parang ano, na parang, ano ba yun? It's so good. Fresh.
Ganda pa. Oo. Send ko yan. Chili super delightful soup with
I like the kiss.
Try to have good one. Cheesy. Perfect. Thank you. This here's the Copacabana. Right now it's layered like the flag of Brazil. Make sure you give it a good stir before you take a drink because all that sweet syrup's out. Oh, right. Thank you.
Chicken stroganoff. Sides siya. Pero small lang yung kinuha namin.
Chicken stroganoff.
Chicken stroganoff.
I-order mo na lang pagkain. Okay. Hindi ka ma-order. Para mahuli yan.
Oh, good. This is the beef parmesan. It's juicy, it's tender, it's garlicky.
Yeah.
It's cheesy.
It's right to the bite.
With a small tone. Thank you. One more place. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Sorry na lang.
Okay.
Sorry po, I dropped your bag.
You did? Oh, sorry. Okay.
Chicken is salad.
Okay, thank you.
This is so pretty, oh.
Thank you. Thank you. Salad here for you.
Hindi melansa?
Okay.
Oh, yeah.
Rosemary pork.
I'll go over next. Meron siya, may details.
Tangy. Yeah.
It's good, huh?
It's tangy. It's herby.
Something.
Juicy din, no? Oh, diba?
Nice. More about.
I think this one I like.
More like that big part.
Okay. But can I also have the patty?
But pwede namin itong create sa release. Thank you.
Oh, wow. Looks good.
You wanna do this? Chicken. What do you want?
You want me to have it? Yeah, I'll cut it for you, okay? This is like.
Okay.
Still good. You got to do that one. You don't
Nicely slide. You are very nice slide.
Why the meat? Ma?
Yeah.
Butcher's here? Yes, please. Spicier, ma. Can I have both? Spicy and both. Spicier here. Okay. Spicy and sausage.
Thank you.
Anybody? Hop steak, but this is our signature cut. Oh, okay.
I'll get that one for Olivia because she likes it.
Too sweet.
You don't like the bun, right?
Thank you.
Tita likes it.
Oh, you want it?
Manok. Manok.
Wait.
Chicken. You don't know Manok? A happy mother. Too much time in Canada. No, we don't have Adidas.
Thank you.
Sadly. Good.
You have Adidas, Tommy.
I have Adidas at home.
Thank
But
you.
here, no.
Thank you. Good.
Hindi po, this is part of the... This actually makes a little more space in your stomach.
Oh, yeah?
Papalit. Yeah, ba yun?
Ganyan na ang grill.
Ay, masarap yan. Ay, try. Try na good. Yan.
Thank you. Alright, enjoy guys.
Troubles at your door. Oh, come on, let's tell it time to go. Oh.
Tita, mukhang masarap pero hindi. Huwag kayong magpapaniwala. Okay. Nakabili ba yan? Nakabili. Oo, may karne. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. It's a wish. Go there. Watch this further yet. She's saucy. I don't know like she girls. Thank you. Oh, thank you. Nag-video ako, hindi pala naka-video. Ay, naka-video pala. One more. 1, 2. Magkakamukha na kayong apat. Akala ko.
Good.
Prefer pa no?
You don't know. Timmy's. Dito lang.
Yung birthday ang mamimili. Sinasuggest ko lang. Oo. Hindi man natin na-try yung
Troubles at your door. Come on, let's tell it time to go. If there's one thing that I know,